arrivals. Good morning, Qatar 767, descending 7,000 feet.
Qatar 767 Heavy, arrival, runway 24 left, altimeter 2959, it is Juliet.
It is Juliet and altimeter 2959, Qatar 767.
Roger, Qatar 767, proceed direct to Lisdu to intercept the localizer, descend 4,000.
Proceed Lisdu and to intercept the localizer, descend 4,000, Qatar 767.
Qatar 767, descend 3,000, clear ILS approach, runway 24 left, speed 200 knots.
Descend 3,000, clear ILS approach, runway 24 left and speed 200 knots, Qatar 767.
Qatar 767, crossing QRX, contact tower on 118.35.
Crossing QRX, tower 118.35, Qatar 767. Thank you, goodbye.
Yep.
Good morning, Qatar 767, establish runway 24 left.
Qatar 767 Heavy, Toronto Tower, the wind 27011, gusting 18, clear to land runway 24 left.
Clear to land runway 24 left, Qatar 767.
Qatar 767, cross runway 24 right, contact ground 1219, good day.
Cross runway 24 right and 121.1, Qatar 767, thank you.
1219 for ground.
121.9, Qatar 767.